Who has dyspraxia? Do you remember me earlier on saying people like Daniel Radcliffe and Cara Delevingne had dyspraxia? Well, let's look at their examples and achievements to inspire us. Cara Delevingne. She struggled in school and found writing very hard, but exams harder. But in October 2017, she made her debut as an author with her book Mirror Mirror, a coming-of-age story. She also plays guitar and drums, proving that dyspraxics can play musical instruments. Welch and David Bailey. They both didn't do well in school, but used their creative mindsets to their advantage. And Welch has gone on to say, "The fact that I work in a creative industry probably helps. We dyspraxics think in a different way." And she has gone on to say that she is proud to be dyspraxic. Daniel Radcliffe has mild dyspraxia and struggles with his shoelaces, and he has gone on to give some great advice for fellow dyspraxics. Do not let it stop you. It has never held me back, and some of the smartest people I know are people who have learning disabilities. The fact that some things are more of a struggle will only make you more determined, harder working, and more imaginative in the solutions you find to the problems. And that finally leads us to Albert Einstein, who was believed to have dyspraxia and, well, frankly, was a genius.